Hey guys, I have the same problem on my system. What you have to do, I will be doing in front of you to fix this issue. So in the first step, just go to search bar and type here view virus and threat protection. Then from the search results, we need to click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to just scroll down, and from the virus and threat protection, we have to turn off this option by clicking on it. So once done, we need to just close this window and then just open settings. Now select apps, go to install apps, and we need to uninstall the JJSploit. So just for example, click on these three dots and select uninstall. Once uninstallation done, just open any web browser and download the setup file of JJSploit. Restart your system, complete the installation process, and that's it guys. Your problem will be solved. You are good to go.